Most people building a barndominium in 2026 are wasting money on square footage they will never use. They are paying for wide lots, complex layouts, and rooms that sit empty 300 days a year while their build costs spiral out of control. But there is one specific barndominium design that completely flips that script. It fits on a narrow lot, builds faster than almost any other layout, cuts your construction costs without cutting your quality of life, and has been quietly gaining momentum all year. It is called the Shotgun Barndominium, and if you have never heard of it, you are in the right place. Because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why builders and budget-conscious homeowners are paying serious attention to this design in 2026. Before we go any further, if you are serious about building a barndominium or you are just researching your options, do yourself a favor and subscribe right now. We break down alternative housing topics with honest research. What is a shotgun barndominium? Let's start with the foundation. A shotgun barndominium takes one of the oldest and most efficient house layouts in American architecture and rebuilds it using modern barndominium construction methods. The original shotgun house dates back to the early 1800s and became extremely popular in the American South. The name itself comes from the idea that if you opened every door from the front of the house to the back and fired a shotgun, the bullet would pass straight through without hitting a single wall. That tells you everything about the layout. It is long, narrow, and deeply linear. Every room flows directly into the next in a straight line from front to back. Now take that same concept and apply it to a metal barndominium shell, and you have something genuinely special. A shotgun barndominium is a long, narrow rectangular structure, typically running anywhere from 24 to 30 feet wide and 40 to 80 feet deep. The rooms are arranged in a single corridor style from one end to the other. Living space up front, kitchen and dining in the middle, bedrooms and bathrooms at the back. Clean, simple, and intentional. What makes this design stand out in the barndominium world is that it was built for people who want a real home without wasted space or wasted money. That is not a marketing slogan. It is genuinely what this layout delivers when it is done right. Key feature 1. The narrow lot advantage. This is where the shotgun barndominium separates itself from nearly every other barndominium layout on the market right now. Most standard barndominium designs require a wide lot. You need significant frontage to accommodate a wide footprint, and in many areas, wide lots come with a serious price premium. In some rural and suburban markets, narrow lots can run 30 to 50% cheaper than wide comparable lots, simply because most builders and buyers pass them over. The shotgun barndominium was engineered specifically for narrow lots. A typical build runs 24 to 30 feet wide, which means it fits comfortably on lots that most other barndominium plans simply cannot touch. This opens up a completely different inventory of affordable land that most barndominium buyers never even consider. Think about that for a second. If you can find a narrow lot for $20,000 less than a comparable wide lot, that is $0 back in your pocket before you have poured a single yard of concrete. The design itself is already saving you money before construction even begins. In 2026, with land prices remaining elevated in most markets, this narrow lot compatibility is not just a nice feature. For a lot of buyers, it is the difference between being able to build and not being able to build at all. Key feature 2. The zero wasted space layout. One of the biggest problems with larger barndominium floor plans is that the more complex they get, the more space gets absorbed by hallways, transition areas, and rooms that look great on paper but end up serving no real daily purpose. The shotgun layout eliminates this almost entirely. Because the design moves in one straight line, every square foot has a job. There are no dead-end hallways that eat up 200 square feet going nowhere. There are no oversized entry foyers that exist just to look impressive. Every room connects directly to the next with purpose and function. A well-designed 1,260 square foot shotgun barndominium can deliver 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a functional kitchen, a living area, and a mudroom. That is a complete family home with nothing wasted. Compare that to a traditional home of the same square footage where you might lose 15 to 20% of your total area to hallways, closets that are awkwardly placed, and spaces that never quite work the way the floor plan suggested. The shotgun layout forces good design decisions from the very beginning. You are working with a defined linear space, and every room has to earn its position in that line. Key feature 3. Faster build timeline. Here is something that does not get talked about enough when people compare barndominium layouts. Build complexity directly affects your timeline and your labor costs. The shotgun barndominium has no complex load-bearing internal wall configurations. The straight rectangular footprint is one of the simplest structures a framing crew can work with. In 2026, data from builders who specialize in this plan shows that the shell-to-finish timeline runs approximately 5 to 7 weeks, which is dramatically faster than more complex barndominium layouts that can stretch to 5 to 12 months, depending on scope and contractor availability. That faster timeline matters in ways people underestimate. Every week your build is under construction is another week you are either paying rent somewhere else or living in temporary housing. Faster completion means you get into your home sooner and stop burning money on a place you are going to leave anyway. A 5 to 7 week shell-to-finished timeline on a straightforward build is genuinely impressive and one of the most practical advantages this design offers. Key feature 4. The front porch. Look at the shotgun barndominium, and one of the first things you notice is the covered front porch running across the full width of the front facade. This is not just an aesthetic choice. It is a deeply functional feature built into the design. The porch acts as a natural transition zone between your interior living space and the outside world. It provides covered outdoor living that extends your usable square footage without adding to your conditioned space, which keeps both your build cost and your energy bills lower. It also creates the kind of curb appeal that makes a narrow barndominium feel welcoming and residential rather than industrial. In 2026, as barndominium designs continue trending toward darker metal exteriors with charcoal, navy, and forest green being the dominant color choices, a well-framed covered porch with wood posts and detail work provides the warm contrast that makes these homes look genuinely stunning in photos and in person. The combination of dark metal siding, a light-colored metal roof, and warm wood tones on a covered porch is one of the most compelling exterior looks in the for alternative housing space right now. Key feature 5. 10-foot ceilings. Throughout this is one of the most underrated features of the shotgun barndominium design. Standard residential construction typically delivers 8-foot ceilings. The shotgun barndominium runs 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire home. This single feature transforms how the interior feels. A narrow floor plan that might otherwise feel tight and constricted opens up dramatically with 10-foot ceilings. Natural light moves differently. Rooms breathe and the linear layout feels generous rather than cramped. You are not sacrificing livability to get the efficiency of a narrow footprint. The ceiling height compensates in a way that genuinely surprises people who walk into one of these homes for the first time. From a construction standpoint, the barndominium steel frame makes those taller ceilings structurally straightforward and cost-effective. Getting 10-foot ceilings in a traditional stick-frame home adds cost and complexity. In a metal barndominium shell, it is baked into the structural design without a significant cost premium. Key feature 6. Smart storage by design. One of the legitimate challenges of any narrow home is storage. When your footprint is limited in width, you have to be intentional about where storage lives. The shotgun barndominium addresses this directly through built-in design solutions. The mudroom, typically positioned near the rear or side entry, serves double duty as a transition space and primary storage zone. Deep pantry configurations in the kitchen section maximize vertical storage along the linear layout. Bedroom closets are designed to use full wall depth rather than shallow afterthoughts. This is not accidental. The shotgun barndominium was designed from the beginning for people who do not want to pay for space they do not need. Every storage solution in the layout is intentional, which means you end up with a home that feels organized and functional rather than cramped. How this design saves you money. Let's talk specifically about the cost savings, because this is where the shotgun barndominium makes a compelling case that goes well beyond just looking good. First, the land savings. As covered earlier, narrow lot compatibility opens up cheaper land inventory that most barndominium buyers never access. In many markets, this alone represents $15,000 to $40,000 in savings before breaking ground. Second, the simple footprint reduces engineering and permitting costs. Complex layouts with offsets, bump outs, and multiple roof lines require more engineering time and create more permit complications. The straightforward rectangular footprint of the shotgun design moves through the permitting process more cleanly and with less back and forth. Third, framing labor is reduced by approximately 20% compared to more complex square or L-shaped footprints, according to 2026 builder data. No complex load-bearing internal wall configurations means the framing crew moves faster, makes fewer decisions on site, and introduces fewer opportunities for costly errors. Fourth, the roofline is simple. A single clean roofline on a rectangular structure is one of the most cost-effective roofs you can build. Every additional roofline angle, valley, hip, or transition point in a roof adds material cost, labor time, and long-term maintenance complexity. The shotgun design avoids all of that. Fifth, because the home is designed without wasted space, you are not conditioning, heating, or cooling square footage that serves no real purpose. A well-insulated 1,260 square foot shotgun barndominium with spray foam will run energy costs that a poorly designed 800 square foot home with dead hallways and rarely used formal rooms cannot compete with. All of these savings stack, and unlike some cost-cutting approaches that compromise quality or livability, the shotgun barndominium saves money through intelligent design rather than cutting corners. Who is this design built for? The shotgun barndominium is not for everyone, and being honest about that matters. This design works exceptionally well for small families who want a complete, functional home without overbuilding. It is ideal for couples, empty nesters downsizing from a larger traditional home, and first-time builders who want to keep their build manageable. It also works very well for people in markets where narrow lots are available at a significant discount compared to wide parcels. If you need 5 or 6 bedrooms, a 3-car garage, and extensive shop space, all integrated into one structure, the shotgun layout is not your answer. There are other barndominium plans built for that. But if you want a well-designed, fast building, honest home that delivers everything a family actually needs without charging you for everything they do not, the shotgun barndominium deserves serious consideration in 2026. The fact that inquiries for this specific plan have doubled in 2026 compared to previous years tells you something real about where the market is moving. People are tired of overbuilding, they are tired of managing too much house, and they are looking for designs that are smart, efficient, and genuinely livable without breaking the bank. What to watch for before you commit to this layout? There are a few honest things to keep in mind. The linear design limits privacy between living and sleeping areas unless the floor plan is thoughtfully arranged. Make sure bedrooms are positioned at the rear away from main living areas, and that the flow from front to back creates natural separation between active and quiet zones. Lot orientation matters more with a shotgun design than with other layouts. A north to south orientation lets the long face of the house take advantage of natural light throughout the day. An east to west orientation can create glare and thermal issues without proper window placement and roof overhang design. Modifications are limited on some pre-engineered versions of this plan. Because cost reduction is built into the simplicity of the design, some plan providers do not offer customization on the shotgun layout. If you need significant modifications, factor in the cost of a custom design from the beginning. The shotgun barndominium is one of the most honest residential designs available in 2026. No wasted space, no inflated square footage, no unnecessary complexity driving up your costs. Just a clean, well-thought-out home that fits narrow lots, builds fast, and delivers real livability at a genuinely competitive cost. In our next video, we are going to go deep on the actual cost breakdown of a shotgun barndominium build, including real 2026, pricing for the shell, foundation, interior finish, and total turnkey numbers. You do not want to miss that one, because the numbers are going to surprise you in the best possible way. If you have not subscribed yet, do it now so you don't miss that video. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you considered a shotgun barndominium design, or is this the first time you are hearing about it? I read every comment, and I want to know where you are in your build journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.